Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Square for point of sale solutions, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your business needs to determine the specific functionalities you require from Square's point of sale system. Next, sign up for a Square account if you haven't already. Once you've created your account, download the Square point of sale app from your device's app store. Install the app and log in using your newly created Square account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface by exploring the main dashboard. Begin entering your products and services into the system by selecting the Items tab. For each item, fill in essential details such as name, description, and price. Consider adding variations for items that come in different sizes or colors. Set up categories for your items to streamline the checkout process and inventory management. Next, configure payment options by navigating to the Settings menu. Enable various payment methods, including credit cards, mobile payments, and gift cards. If applicable, set up tipping options to enhance customer experience. Connect any necessary hardware, such as card readers, receipt printers, or cash drawers. Conduct a test transaction to ensure that all systems are functioning correctly. Create a staff account for your employees to use at the point of sale. Train your team on how to navigate the Square app efficiently. Regularly review inventory levels and sales data to adjust your offerings as needed. Utilize Square's reporting features to gain insights into sales trends and customer behaviors. Consider integrating other Square tools such as Square Marketing or Square Loyalty to enhance customer engagement. Continuously update your app and hardware for optimal performance and security. Stay informed about new features and improvements to make the most of your Square point of sale system. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize Square for your point of sale solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.